Hi! So, today, we're gonna do a sewing project together, my dudes. I'm very excited for this. Why are you so excited, Kaitlyn? Well, I will tell you why I'm so excited. I am making myself a mushroom hat. And you might be like, Kaitlyn, why? 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 And let me tell you. For Halloween last year, my sister dressed up as like a mushroom fairy. I don't really know what she was. But the hat she made this mushroom hat for herself. And oh my gosh, it was glorious. So naturally, I wanted one for myself, and it's not like I could steal that one or anything. So we're making my own. So how my sister did it was she got a hat and then covered it in felt. My plan was to just kind of make it without having a hat base. But with the way I want to make it, I'm realizing that that's gonna be pretty heavy and I would need some sort of support in there. And I don't really know how I would do that support at the moment, but I really want the mushroom hat. So what we're doing is I have this hat. We're going to be covering this hat instead of actually sewing it right on, because this is not my hat, this is my grandma's, and she would probably actually murder me if I did anything permanent to it. So instead, we are going to make a little hat covering. I'm very excited. I also made a little sketch. Is it gonna focus? A little sketch. Is that a good sketch? No. But it's okay, you get the gist of what it's gonna look like. We're gonna do it in this very beautiful yellow color. Is this ochre? Ochre? I don't know how to pronounce that. Mustard yellow? I've given myself 2 days to make this, so we'll see. We'll see how that goes. We try our best here. Is our best always good enough? Yes. I have bought way more felt than I needed. Do you ever have those moments where you're like, I could just do this, and that's such a better idea? 3.5 seam allowance. All the way around. I didn't grab a marking pen. I was wondering why I feel so hyper all of a sudden, and I realized it is because I had coffee. Did I say I was gonna quit coffee because it keeps me up too late at night? Yes. Have I held to that? No, I haven't. Actually, I did for 2 days, and then this morning I was like, ooh, I'm gonna have some coffee. My grandma's like, no, you shouldn't, and I'm like, fine, I won't. And then I came back downstairs, she was like, I made you coffee, and I was like, and then I had coffee. Because I don't want to waste the coffee, you know? Because that's just even worse. Also, side note, I don't exactly know what I'm doing, so please do not follow this as a tutorial. If you would like to and try to make your own mushroom hat, there will be a lot of guessing. So you can try, but I cannot guarantee that if you try to use this as a tutorial to make your own mushroom hat, that you will actually be making a good mushroom hat. I'm not good at smart sewing. I just wing a lot of things. Should I do that? I've been told I shouldn't, but most of the time it works out. I realized I put this too close to the edge. I have a solution for this. Is this a good solution? No, but it is a solution nonetheless. Is that 2 inches? Probably not, but at this moment we're guesstimating. Now, what we are first going to do, so all the way around the top piece, gather it just a bit until it is the same size as this smaller circle. I just remembered how I wanted to do this, and this is not the way I want to do it. Is this a proper way to sew? No, you should nicely set up your sewing machine at a table and sit correctly so you don't accidentally throw out your hips like I did last time. First part done. So what I messed up on is that the easy way to do this is just to sew that around, cut out a hole, boom, you're done. Not really, but that is a way. What I was planning on doing, pretty much be a piece of fabric doubled over, and it will have embroidery on it so it actually looks like a mushroom, but it also give the hat more dimension, is what I'm thinking. I'm also definitely just copying what my sister did. I have a mushroom hat. Okay, she's a little wonky, I will admit. But we'll fix her. I made the executive decision to sew all the way around and gather it right now because I realized that the way that the material was overlapping might not be the way it would overlap once it was gathered. So I gathered it, and then now I'm going to do the little embroidery on the side. Hello. So the hat was not working. It was not doing what I wanted it to do. I think it's because I made it a bit too small. I should have made it bigger. I don't even know really. So the piece that I accidentally cut out before, I've made into like little bonnet. I'm going to stitch it to to this gathered part. That's what's happening currently. I don't know how this is gonna work. Don't know why I have my giant scissors over here, not my tiny scissors. These are my favorite scissors. They're my portable scissors, and they fold. They fold. They're foldable scissors. I love them. They're tiny. They're great. Were they like $25? Yes. Are they the loves of my life? Also yes. So it was worth the purchase. What I think I'm gonna end up doing, I'm gonna try, so it's not like this weird pillow shape, and kind of fold it and like sew like that around. And I want it to be less round and a little bit more pointy. So we're going to attempt to do that. I have an idea of how, but I don't know how well it will actually, I don't know how well it will work when I actually try to execute it. Right now we are going to finish doing the embroidery thread, and then we're gonna go from there. Oh my god, this leaves so much wood. Hello! Hour number 374. Not really, but it feels like that. This is what's happened. I feel like it looks a lot better than before. Like, it's definitely still got some like weird poofing going on, but I still got like that general like swooping shape that I wanted now. So like I feel like it looks better. What I think we're going to do now is, now that I got this shape, we're gonna add like little, like tiny little mushroom shell, like put a little picture right there of what I want to do. Okay, so we finished all of the little scallops, layers, these things, and I pinned a few of them in place. I haven't exactly figured out how I'm gonna attach these. Hello, ma'am, you are very distracting, but I love you. Come here, come this way. I have a cat. Please don't claw my face. But I love you and want to show you to everyone. Oh my god, you're shedding so much. So, I ended up finishing embroidering all of the little scallops. I don't know what they are called. I feel like there's probably a term for them. My original plan was to sew them, but realizing that if I was going to sew them, I probably should have sewed them on before I sewed everything together underneath. So my now plan is to hot glue them, and I have a smaller hot glue gun somewhere. I don't know where. She's gone missing. So we're just gonna use to the best ability, words. So we're gonna be gluing these bad boys into place, and that's all I got. So I just finished my music fundamentals course and my brain is fried, so what better a time to share with you guys my finished hat. So this is it. This is the beauty. Look at her. So I ended up making the hat a bit bigger than my actual head because I wanted to make sure it fit all of my hair. I have a lot of hair and I enjoy curling my hair a lot, so I wanted to make sure that I could fit it with my curly locks. Or at least that's my excuse, because it somehow turned out a lot bigger than I meant to, and I'm still confused as to how that happened. But we're just going with it, so... But yes, I think it turned out really well. I do definitely think this came out better than I thought it was going to. I'm in love with it. It's my favorite thing. I've been wearing it all day. I went downstairs and my grandma kind of just stared at me and was like, what are you wearing on your head? Why are you wearing it? Are you cold or something? I was like, I made a hat. I got nowhere to wear it to, so we're just gonna be wearing it around the house. This is my life now, okay? I'm a mushroom lady. This is just great, so yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me struggling to make a hat. I've never made a hat before, so I think for my first attempt, it came out pretty good. 3 years from now, when I'm hopefully better at hat making, I'll look back on this and be like, why did I do it like that? And I'll be very embarrassed of it. But as of right now, I'm very proud of this hat. I love her. I need to come up with a name for her. My first name that popped into my head was Janice, so maybe we'll name this hat Janice. So yes, hope you guys are having a lovely day. Hopefully you're staying sane in quarantine. Hopefully school isn't killing you too bad. I know online school has been killing me a bit and it's not fun, but hang in there. But y'all are doing great, so yes. And if you want, make yourself your own little mushroom hat. Don't follow my video as a tutorial, because if you do, there's gonna be a hell of a lot guessing in there, because that's mostly all I did in this video, so yes, stay tuned for probably more sewing videos with me, and some other fun shenanigans and lookbooks and things, and I don't even know what I'm making anymore. It's just, I need to leave the house, but it's raining, I haven't been outside in 3 days. But it's fine. I'm thriving.